Are we good?
I think we're good. I think we should be.
Make sure my hair looks
Should be pretty all right. We've got the box back again this week.
Nice. Fans will like that.
This is week 5. We've got our week 4 winner. It's pretty exciting.
Halfway point of the contest.
Yeah, we're here. This is it, guys. So let's just go ahead and announce what our week 4 winner is.
Oh, let's go.
Congratulations to Kayla Bernier from Sasktel. Kayla,
You've won yourself a brand new Vitamax!
Congratulations! Congratulations. You won that, and you also got a $150 gift card to Safeways. So congratulations.
You can go stock up in all your juice to get on your juice cleanse.
We're excited. Well, Taylor, we're at the halfway point of this contest here,
We are,
and
yeah.
I mean, just kind of looking back and stuff at some of the stuff that we've shot. Is there anything that kind of sticks out to you at all? Anything fun that we've done?
Well, I wouldn't say fun, but there was that one time where I was soaked with seawater in a rainy day with my shorts on at the beach.
Yeah, you got pretty cold. I think we've got to replay that, but you probably don't want to see that, do you?
I'd rather not relive that memory.
Well, let's go ahead and show the replay.
Are
you cold, Taylor?
I'm freezing.
And ooh, that brings back some cold memories, doesn't it, Taylor?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm happy, dry, and clean here.
Awesome. Well, what we've got for you this week, guys, your next prize is going to be a Sonos home sound system worth right around $1,000. So make sure you get those entries in and keep entering those SKUs, and we'll see you back again next time. Till then, I'm Ryan.
I'm Taylor, and I cannot wait to see you guys.
All right, take care.
Cheers.